This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lane. This impressive condo has an updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, wood cabinets, granite counters and designer backsplash. Classic tile throughout living area and Berber carpet in spacious bedroom west/built-in desk/vanity and 2 closets. Updated vanity tops in both bathrooms and a newer toilet and half bath. Enjoy tranquil golf course views from the enclosed balcony with sliders that can be opened to enjoy cool evenings. The large heated pool and the newly renovated clubhouse are just steps away. Also a smaller pool nearby for relaxing. Secured building with key entry and phone entry for guests. Located in desirable PalmAire CC close to major highways, shopping, dining and Publix. Just a short drive to the beach. Sold unfurnished, however some of the furniture could be available for sale. 960 square feet per owner. For more information, review the details below.